In every classroom, there is at least one child who is quickly labeled naughty. Let me begin with simple observation from the classrooms. The child who is labeled naughty the fastest is often the child whose voice has been ignored the longest. In education, we are trained to correct behavior, but great educators learn something deeper. They try to decode the behavior because every disruption in a classroom is often a message in disguise. Here is a question every educator must ask. Is the child really in discipline or simply unheard? Many behaviors that appear as mischief are actually communication attempts. A child who keeps interrupting may not be seeking attention. They may be seeking acknowledgement. A child who jokes constantly might not be disrespectful. They might be masking insecurity. A child who refuses to follow the instructions may not be rebellious. They may be frustrated because they do not understand the task. When students feel invisible, behavior becomes their voice, and classrooms often respond with only one tool, discipline. But discipline without understanding only suppresses behavior. It does not solve the problem behind it. Effective educators do something different. They pause and observe. They can ask 3 questions. What is the child trying to communicate? Number 2, when does this behavior usually appear? Number 3, what need is not being met? Because sometimes the child who talks the most is the one who is heard the least at home. Sometimes the child who disrupts the class is the one who doesn't know how to ask for help. And sometimes the child labeled problematic simply needs one adult who listens without judgment. This does not mean classroom should ignore discipline. Structure is essential, of course, but the most effective classrooms combine discipline with emotional awareness. Rules create order. Understanding builds trust. And when students feel heard, something remarkable happens. The same child who once disrupted the class often becomes the most engaged learner in the classroom. So the next time a child is labeled naughty, pause before correcting. Because every behavior tells a story, and great educators don't just control behavior, they learn to read the story behind it. Sometimes the most difficult child in the classroom is the one carrying the most invisible battles. If you are a teacher, parent, or someone trying to understand children better, subscribe to this channel and get solutions for the same. Thank you. Happy teaching.